Bait tayo. Papang. Alingatong. Baka naman. Bait tayo bago maligo, guys.
Hindi ko pa na ano gawin. Ano ba yung lang? Ano wala? Yan ang muna para di masira.
Nanay ko mo.
Yes,
Ayaw. Muhan tayo. Wow, ang dami. Lalaki si Malik. Ha? Para ay makakain naman.
Mahuli ka tatay?
Mahal na mahal niya ang bunso niya.
Mahuli ka tatay?
Uy, ako sa...
Ay, tumatawag dyan. Tumatawag sa akin.
Ayaw naman ito.
Tumatawag. Tumatawag sa akin.
Paalam ka kay nanay kung uuwi ka mo ito ngayon.
Pag di naman umulan, uwi ako. Pero pag
Tay, tawagan mo nga tay.
Umuulan pero
kaya sumagot na nga, oh.
May tumatawag sa akin eh. Tawagan mo.
umuulan nga tay pero
Guys, Alingatong. Baka naman. Bago maligo. Pahid.
para mga lahat yung katawan. Kasi nga makakati na siya. Manananggal pala. Dapat siya pang
Pahid,
dito
natin.
Ayan na, nanay mo. Ayan. Pati yun naman si Inday, happy birthday.
Guys, mamaya na lang.
Talaga, drama kayo natin da.
Tayo. Guys. Siap maligo. Okay na axe. Axe. Baka naman.
Kyrie Irving with a circus shot and a chance for a 4-point play. Such athletic ability for a big man. Bad pass by Curry, stolen by James. Iguodala's back. And James throws it right down in his face.
Yes, yes, yes.
He drives on James, finds McGee. McGee with a post-up stolen by James.
Tayo.
James drives hard and throws it down.
Tayo guys. Okay, put-puts.
Warriors go back in. Irving spins, Irving drives, gets inside, throws it up. And takes it home as the buzzer sounds. Brilliance by Kyrie Irving. So you do your job not allowing LeBron James to catch it, but you allow Kyrie Irving to hit the basketball back and hustle through.
Sa balita.
James whips it out in the corner. Kyrie Irving cuts layup. It's Kyrie Irving does it again. Are you kidding me? How did he make that shot? Has 6 steals in the game as well. Had a huge impact to Spike shooting poorly. Irving and one. Oh, Kyrie Irving putting on his toe.
Ngayon si
Irving
Erwin.
has to go. Here comes
Ganun kasi
Williams,
nito.
pushing it up the floor, finds James.
Mas kakakimbor kong dalawa. Pag hindi si Irving ang mag-dunk siya.
Off a little bit with the 2 fouls. Great timeout call. There looked to be some contact. James certainly
Pinarisan si Irving ng libre. Kaya hindi
sent it for 3. Oh, Kyrie Irving! Are you kidding me? 53.
Irving pala yun.
He played for Pete Carrillo. He's scorer as a sophomore. Another turnover. 82.
Tayo sa basa na eh. Uwi ka tayo. Huwag ka na umuwi ng umaga.
Loses it.
Hindi na kayo hinday.
Irving last second decides to go reverse. A beautiful move from Kyrie.
Papasok ako sila.
He's got 13.
Nakamay. Ito lang handa ko. Yun lang handa ko. Yan, walang alak. May pare tayong kasama. Yung senior.
Oh, bye.